Good morning and happy Thanksgiving, you guys. So I am trying to do this wig, and I figure I might as well start the vlog here. This is a better place. This is as good as a place as any other. Honestly, y'all, I think I'm messing it up. I think I already messed it up, but I'm just gonna stay positive and optimistic. Cause I already feel like I did like several things wrong. Like I done cut the lace and stuff because the glue would not wash off. I didn't know what to do. It was getting frustrating. So now I'm trying to make like a new hairline and pluck it and stuff, but the lace keep on ripping. Like, see, this is why I let people do things that's their job and don't try to think like I could do it myself. We rocking and rolling. Like I said, I'm gonna try to like make her work. So I'm just trying to flat iron the front of it. And honestly, I need to hurry up because we're going down to West Palm Beach for Thanksgiving. My family, that's where we're having it this year. But yeah, so we're going down to West Palm Beach, and my aunt who I'm riding with, she said we're leaving at 11:30, and it's 9:52, and I still need to make my dishes that I'm gonna bring, which are gonna be fast. Cornbread and potato salad. It's not gonna take that long. But I still need to get dressed, put this wig on, pack my things, and make those things. Supposedly by 11:30. I doubt we'll leave at 11:30, but I still wanna, try. But this is so frustrating. I'm like, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I low-key ruined it. But I don't even have time to be like, whatever. I mean, I have some different options. I could just slap on another one, but I want hers for Thanksgiving. The colors. I just have like, I'm just like that. Like when I have a plan or something in my mind, like I just want what I want. So I was just like, let me just try it myself. I mean, I've installed a wig before. I'm not saying like it was the best, but it wasn't terrible either. You know what I mean? Obviously it didn't look like professional. I think I have a gist of what to do. Wish me luck, y'all. I think it's not gonna be horrible. And this wig was mad expensive, so it's really sick that I'm doing this. Anyways, so now I'm just trying to flatten it so I can do the little hairline. And I know you're supposed to like tweeze some of the hair so it could look more natural. So I'm gonna do that, and then y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I gotta laugh at myself, y'all. You know how you laugh to keep from crying? You know how you cry when your hair don't come out how you want? Even though it hasn't not come out how I want, but positive thoughts. So I'm just gonna tweeze. Yeah, I was gonna start the vlog once I got to West Palm Beach, like, and dinner and stuff, but I was like, I'll start it here. Let you guys see my little struggle moment this morning. But we ain't gonna struggle for too long, you heard? Cause one thing about it, two things for sure. We some rockers and some rollers and some, push throwers. And that's all. I think it's gonna be like, it might not be like, how it looks when I go to the hair salon, but I got a little faith in me for some reason. I don't know why. I always just be believing in myself, even if it's something that I never did before, but I have did this before. And like I said, I just be making things work with what I got. Cause ain't nobody got time to be like going through it about no hair. And if you know me, I'll cut my hair off to not deal with it, you feel me? Before I let it stress me out. And that's on called? Oh, period. Let me stop. I don't even got time to be playing like this. Let's see how it looks on my head. Don't laugh at me. Clickbait. I'm gonna use this as my thumbnail. Okay. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good. People are saying Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. Thankful for you guys too. Thankful for you who's watching this video. Just cut this off like so. Also, this is not any type of tutorial whatsoever at all. This is literally a showing y'all what I got going on video. Okay. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel, Lord. Take it, Jesus. Take it. I don't know what to do next. Okay. Now we're gonna try to put her on again to see. Oh Jesus. What time is it? It's 10:30, so I have 1 hour. Less than an hour. I might even make my stuff that I'm gonna make when I get down there, because yeah, I swear when people be doing their little wig and stuff, they be making it look so easy. They're like, oh, you just do this. Nah, homie, it ain't even like that. Okay. I forgot to put makeup. I was supposed to put makeup on the wig cap, but I will. I'm gonna do like 3 layers and call it a dizzy day, because today is what, Thursday? I have my hair appointment on Tuesday. It don't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to last that long. This side's a little bit better. I'm gonna let that side dry. I'm gonna go get me some oranges. I'll be back. Okay, so I got me some LG. I'm about to put it on the 3rd layer and try to be done with this. What time is it? Okay, it's only 10:30, so only a few minutes has passed. That's my key face. Let me stop. Okay. So come down. Let me stop making all these ugly faces, because I'm sure I got a hater or 2 watching. Anyway, so a moment of truth. Let me make sure it's even. Okay, whatever. Okay. I think I'm not doing terrible. That's what I think. Comment below for me, you guys. Do y'all like this style of like just, you know, whatever video, like vlogs, I guess? Or do you prefer like my more, what I consider my more organized, planned videos, sit down, like videos? Or is this more like, you know, realistic and relatable? Okay. So I pasted it down like this. It looks so ugly, like a wig. Like, well, it is a wig, but if you know, you know what I mean. Like, it looked very much wiggy-ishy. But honestly, as long as I got it on, I feel like it's okay. Having some technical difficulties. Okay. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, I feel like I'm not doing terrible. I just need to definitely get this front part together. Like the hairline, because it just looks so fake. Look at that. That looks literally like how the hair be on the Barbie doll. Okay, this is Desperate Times Coffee Estimate. Not that I was so desperate, but like I said, I had some other wigs that I could have easily thrown on that were like closure wigs, and that was just like ready to go. But I don't know, I just really want to wear this color for Thanksgiving. Nah, I'm gonna tie it with the bandana, let it dry for a minute, and probably go pack up some stuff that I'll wear. So I'll take you guys to do that too. Okay, so as soon as I opened my phone and I looked at my last order, I already knew exactly what I want to wear. I came up with a few things actually, but okay, so I'm gonna stay overnight, so I need something to wear for today and something to wear for tomorrow, and like sleeping clothes or like change clothing for later, you know what I'm saying, like after dinner is done and stuff. So this is what I come up with. So for tomorrow, you know, my family's unpredictable, so they might want to go out to eat or something, or hang out for a little bit, or we might just like drive back to Orlando. So this would be like my, if we're just driving back, I'll wear this top with like these sweatpants for tomorrow. And if we do something, or I just feel like being a little cute, I'm gonna wear this dress. Where did I get this from? Fashion Nova. This dress. And then for today, I was between 3 outfits, which is this bandage dress, or this is another dress, like plaid dress like this, and it has a little tie, and I was gonna wear that, but it's kind of like a shirt dress type thing with these brown leather leggings. Or, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this one, is this. I think this is so cute. As soon as I like opened my phone, I was like, oh yeah, I definitely want to wear this. I should probably try it on. But I think I'm gonna wear this, which I think I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this today, and I will insert a picture and show y'all how it look like. But I think it's gonna be so cute. How it looks on the model is cute, so let's see. Okay, so I did my bag. I put this on to like keep the hair out of my face. But now let's finish this up so we can get ready to go. It's literally 11:30 now. I just heard back from my aunt for the first time, so I know I don't have a lot of time, but she didn't say anything about where I'm at or hurry up or anything, so I think I got a little bit more time.
I've been drinking this potion. Think you might ain't getting an abortion. Now you found how he burn up like promise one day we gon' make it out. I know these niggas wanna take me out. Lord, thank you for this blessing out. Every day I swear I've been stressing out. Talk money, I ran to the paper out. Turn me down now, who they wanna talk about? I ain't have a ride, so I walked it out. Now she calling me back, I ain't talking out. How can I love on a bitch? If I'm married to this money, I'm chasing blue hundreds, the money keep coming.
Okay, so I'm about to try to do my edges now. I feel like that's the most important part. So what I be seeing people do is curl it first, or do they be curling it after? I don't know, but I be seeing them curl it, so I'm gonna do that. I feel like I'm looking cute already. I love this color. Watch out, cause you need to be changed. I'm trying to be rich, I ain't trying to be famous. This is really like that. Let me stop. I probably look a mess. Well, I know I don't look a mess, but Miss K, if you see this, just know, girl. place. So here's basically how it looks. I think I didn't do terrible. I'll rate me my install that I've done a 6. A 6. It's just above failing. Definitely a D. Well, let me be generous. I'll give myself a 7. It doesn't look a total mess. And I feel like I just need to put a hot comb in the front to lay it flat more. And my edges isn't really that on fleek as I would like it to be, but it's okay. The style that I want to do, like I don't really need this side anyways, because I want to do a swooping. Yeah, I think I'll be good like this. And I'm gonna do it like that. But I'm gonna fix it like that once I I'll do it like that now. I'll say once I take a bath and stuff, cause I be needing to wash like my forehead. Okay, I don't know how people keep those styles like that, or like the ponytails and they be sprayed down. It's a no for me, cause I'm gonna do this swooping and then what? Straight or curly or what? Now let me get ready or I can get out of here. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do this with crimps. Would that be cute, y'all? I think it'll be cute. I think I didn't do bad at all. I can give me an 8. I'm happy because I'm finally done and because it's kind of cute. I don't know if I just love this color. My face, and then I'm gonna tie it and take a shower, and then I'll be back to do my makeup. Alrighty, so I just took a bath. I need to hurry up because I got some phone calls and people a pressure on me. I'm just gonna do my makeup really fast. I'm going to like the stuff that I'm making, which is cornbread and potato salad, and I got a red velvet cake, but it's already made. You know, the cornbread and the potato salad is going to be easy and quick, so I'm just going to do it when I get there. And yeah, so I'm just going to finish getting myself ready and try to run out of here. So I'm going to do my makeup real quick. It's going to be a fast forward because I don't know, I feel like when I be trying to talk on camera and stuff, it kind of makes me take longer. But whoa! 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 Okay, maybe I should cut off this video because hold on now. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup off camera just to not fill up the SD card too much and save some battery. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna do a simple green eyeshadow look with like orange blush. Yes. Okay. So I finished my makeup. Here's how I'm looking. I feel like this is very sultry and a night look for Thanksgiving, but the dress, yeah, to me, this is what it's giving. So I'm just gonna finish my hair like I said I would. So now I'm just gonna crimp it and I need to get out of here. I'm so late. It's way past 11:30. Okay, so here's how my hair and makeup and everything looks. So now I'm about to get my bag and jet.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, so I finally made it to the city, West Palm. Well, actually it's called Lake Worth. Oh, I'm so late. Everybody already been calling me saying where am I at, but I'm at the light, y'all. I'm at the light. I'm turning. I'm almost there, so I'm gonna get there. I just need to put on my shoes. Y'all, the dress that I wanted to wear was too small, but I'm still gonna take pictures in it. But I can't wear it because it is popping all over the place. But I will see you guys in a second.
What's up, bro?
How you doing? Happy Thanksgiving.
Ooh, girl.
I look good or I look great?
Oh, good. You look real good. Hold on, let me.
We're about to die next I got these eggs and I didn't make the stuff that I was supposed to make because I was late. So we're gonna just like throw some of them for fun, just for fun. I can't even see the kids, but they're so excited.
Watch out, hey. Watch out, Nedge, move. I got this. Okay. Let me get my 2 in. Okay, good. 2, 1. Oh wow, that one did not break. Alright. And technically this is composting. This is good for the environment. Technically. That was like an explosion. So much for saving that.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next morning. We're in the hotel. We just woke up, getting kids ready and everything. And then I'm about to get ready, and we're gonna head out. We're gonna head back to Orlando. So, yeah. I want to rush back because I want to put up my Christmas tree. I've been wanting to put it up, but I haven't had any time. But I just knew, like, today I'm gonna put it up, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get myself ready. Maybe we'll have some breakfast. And drive back to Orlando. Good morning, you guys.
Get them off of me and stop recording.
You get them off of you. Good morning, Nejima.
See?
Good morning, Mike.
You forgot your name.
You forgot my name?
Breaking on Jaden's face.
Ask somebody what's my name.
The bed.
You guys, Miley says she forgot my name. Can somebody help her?
Daphne.
Daphne.
Jaden forgot your name as well.
I can remember y'all name, but I can't tell y'all the difference, so I guess we're even.
You can call me Ann.
Ann?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, so every time you bad thing.
I know how to tie.
Let's see your outfit of the day.
I know how to tie my thing.
Do you know how to do an outfit of the day, Ned?
Yeah.
Jaden.
Go ahead.
Yes, you
No, you gotta say my shirt, my pants, my shoes is from. Go ahead. That's how you do an outfit of the day.
My and my pants and my shoes.
Close enough.
My socks. My
Okay.
hair.
Belle, you know how to do an outfit of the day, do you? No? You guys have to be like, my shirt is from Target, my pants is from JCPenney's, I got my Ugg sandals on. That's how you do an outfit of the day.
I got my shirt, my pants.
You can say your unicorn shirt, you got on your pink unicorn shirt today.
And I got my shoes and my shirt and my pants and my shoes.
Okay.
So this is from Target, my butterfly shirt, and then my skirt and my shorts underneath are also from Target, and then my shoes are from Maiden Girl.
Okay, outfit of the day, check, check, check. Looking good. Good job.
Now my turn. My shirt. Okay.
Okay, you did yours, Ned. Go in.
My shirt is from Target. My skirt is from also Target, and my shoes are from Gucci.
Gucci. Oh, okay. Gucci out.
And this and the beads are from I don't know, but my mom said it's from Louis Vuitton.
Oh, wow. You got all the high names on you today. Ah, go ahead. the outfit of the day.
God bless me with my beautiful black skin from up above.
And where you got that wig cap
I got this wig cap, you know, from the crossover. Under that wig cap. Got the Floyd locks from the goddesses. Got these ratchet nails from Miami.
Too much money.
Right. Got this beautiful white jumpsuit that's stained with some little sauce from the party. Wow. From Dillard's.
Wow.
I got my Sperry sandals that go with me everywhere.
Okay.
No, they don't.
Must have. Yes, they do, girl.
Must
have. When you want comfort.
Okay.
I got my Dove deodorant for when I get out of the shower, you know, for the trash. And I got my Reach. My Reach to keep my pearlies pearly. And my clothes when I come out.
Okay. You're whose daughter?
Okay, thumbs out.
You guys kind of look alike a little bit. I can tell. Just a little.
I can put it.
I told y'all to put lotion on.
This is my leather.
Let me do my outfit of the morning. My tank top is from Forever 21.
Wow.
My shorts is from my mate. And my Ugg boots are from the Ugg store online.
And
Outfit of the morning.
my shirt from.
Okay. So I'm all freshened up. Here's my outfit. I got this top and some sweatpants. And I still got on my Uggies. What are you doing? Auntie Bona on extreme mommy duty
Extreme mommy duty.
We got insurance. I know. It's too early. Alright. So we all got our breakfast.
Everybody's happy?
Everybody's happy?
Yep.
Okay, so we all got our breakfast and we're about to eat, and then after we finish eating, we're gonna head and get on the road and go back to Orlando. So I'm gonna end the video here. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace. Bye.
Bye to our channel.
Bye.
Bye to our channel. Bye. Bye. See you later. Bye. See you later. Bye.